यूपीएससी मेंस का आंसर लिखने जाते हो और इंट्रोडक्शन पर ही अटक जाते हो? वेल, यू आर नॉट अलोन इन दिस. Writing a good answer requires clarity of thought and a pinch of creativity. Let me show you an example. Look at this article from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. The article essentially talks about the recent US exit from the WHO, challenges of WHO, and also suggests some way forward. अब एक काम करना, कोई भी मैगजीन उठाना, तुम्हें खूब मटेरियल मिलेगा, पर क्या नहीं मिलेगा वो मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूं. This article had a very beautiful line. Look at this line. Global health has arguably been a case of he who pays the piper calls the tune. अब इस लाइन का मतलब क्या हुआ? सिंपल भाषा में जो पैसा देता है उसकी चलती है. Now think about it. This is such a beautiful line. You can use this line as a ready-made introduction if you are writing an answer in GS1 on social issues, in GS2 international relations on global bodies. You can also use this line as an introduction if you are writing an answer on income inequality for GS3 economy. This is exactly what will give you those extra brownie points because this statement is so eye-catching. ये काम आप सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर पढ़कर ही कर सकते हो. That is why there is absolutely no substitute of newspaper reading. If you also want to be a pro at newspaper reading and explore the unique side of newspapers, then you can definitely consider joining our flagship Current Affairs Panchayat course, which is your one-stop solution for all UPSC current affairs needs. You get a comprehensive coverage of the Hindu, the Indian Express, you get answer writing, you get weekly tests for both prelims, mains, personalized guidance, segregated notes for prelims, for mains, all at a very reasonable price. If you want to be a part of this course, you can visit our website www.godseparo.com. Also, you can consider calling us on this number if you have any doubts. Trust me, be a part of this course. आपको इतना अच्छा और यूनिक पर्सपेक्टिव मिलेगा कि यूपीएससी को फोन करोगे मेन से पहले और बोलोगे
आलिए रे आलिए बेटा भग मत जाइयो.
If you are liking the content, do follow our page, save this reel and share it with a fellow aspirant. Thank you so much.